Evera la December, Tagado, Love Protected Mala, Kissing with Otany, Love Tamulo, no? Good morning, my friends and my brother and sister. Today is the December 27th. Um, Thank you so much. We see again. Okay. I want you reading about for you today is the only just one Bible verse. Okay. Okay, let's keep going right now. Thank you so much to watchers, my channels, and the subscribers. God bless you. First of all, I had to start reading right now in the Bible. Matthew chapter 21, verse 22 talk about that. If you believe, okay, if you believe, you will resist whatever you ask for in prayers. Okay, if you believe, okay, if you believe, you will receive whatever you ask for in prayers. Remember that only just prayer. Okay, one, if you believe, only just prayer. Okay, you pray. This means whatever no you ask in prayer. Okay, thank you so much. Today is that I want to read them for you about that this. If you believe, only just topic is today. If you believe, okay. We understand about the Matthew chapter 7, verse 7. Talk about this, okay. Matthew chapter 7, verse 7 talk about you understand about the thing, all right. Here's I want to read for you a little bit about this. Matthew chapter 7, verse 7 said, ask and it will be given to you. Ask, okay, ask and it will be given to you. No, hierarchy do taki tulo ero David din no. Seek, no, seek and you will find. Hierarchy do tukatini dalo, no, knock and the door will be open to you. No, do the cloda, no, highs, no, windstorm hidden, high windstorm hidden. Thank you so much for watching. Today is I want to read for you Bible only just one topic. If you believe, only just topic. Okay. Here, ask about the knock and the door will be open to you. Once you knock, the door will be open to you. Okay. Thank you so much. Here is the I want to keep going about little bit here. No, but tana. Okay, nara ni nemikhira ni negadu ne bath pakatelo. No, here Mark. Okay, Mark chapter 11 verse 24 said, therefore I tell you, okay, therefore I tell you, whatever you ask for in prayer, okay, here's a Marx talk about that, okay, whatever, okay, whatever you ask for in prayer, only just prayer, okay, you don't need to do nothing, only just prayer, okay, believe that you have received it. Now believe na learn the money tali, okay, and it will be yours, no, when it commit no now no okay let an kura or pakasukumotala patamu pusikola teniai no pero tera totoba away in the the example about the Jesus talking have faith in God Jesus I'm sure, okay, because of the that with there's victory there's a problem about that, okay, let an good on a casayo matalola a play what the party will lola way a who's tarot, a play what the quadan, the table deal I tell you the truth. If anyone say to the mountain, go throw yourself into the sea, and does not doubt in heart, but believe that, Nadabalo Pagdermana, Tagadidaba, I went Tagadidaba, not dark, no, Tagadidari, Letano Kutaro Pagdermana, away Pathinia Sikolo, and does not doubt in his heart, but believe that what he say will happen. It will be done for him. No, takama athala away a no, David denim. Okay, I want to keep going about the little bit here is no. Pagdana mala pakale kwa le the sepo kasunyane David D. No, Luca Sedo, no, Luca Sedo Sitter, no, Luke chapter 11, okay, verse 9, talk about this. So I say to you, ask and it will be given to you. No, hierarchiro takahi, no, takahilo tulo. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you. No, the example about the people they don't have the food and then they go to the friends and knock the door, ask for food, okay, ask for help. Mean is the that his friend given the food and then whatever he needed. This about like this, not just like when we ask to God, just like a friend Jesus talking about like this, okay. Letano ko pakrati nyalo patamo pula teninya I patapitama pusikolo no. Pasukomo lo patala pakamara no pakalera no paku umundo. Pak Okay, I want to read for you about the James. No, James. Here is the James. No, James chapter 5, the verse 16 talk about that. Therefore, confess your sin to each other. Okay, confess your sin to each other. Satan metal telo klelo tuta de by le tegada. Okay, tegada. And pray for each others so that you may be healed. Pagitera no telo klelo tuta de batagada do pagitena ma hiba tikpanita le tegada no awani do pagitena ma tasane kapla pagitena ma dinamo no tasane blalo no takabla welo okay do pagitena ma kasunya ni tera. The prayers of a righteous man is powerful and effective. Now, effective sitan and metal pagitena mala keblu ke puwera patio thidi no. Debra pain pake pato palo atatu pama no tera pato palo atatu pani no. Paganyolo atolo takubane uro atasu takamo tera no tasu takamo okay powerful tasu takamo and do uro pagten mala da affect no pagten affect ne pagten man keblu ke puwera no as tasu takamo keblu ke puwene lo. Okay, me didn't opekle kwa page se po tamata le te you ha sedo so so kisikini te ba pwani le te you ha sedo so kisikima no pagten wala tasite lo khai ni yama pupu ko lo ko lo le hini topic ka ro ko tar no this preaching is only little bit topics only short the preaching but I don't take it as so many topics, only just one topic and the belief, if you believe only. And resist from him anything we ask, Pagitera padunimba le a uta le, not the me talo pakri or permitted, no. Anything we ask, because we obey his command. Pagitera ma koplo le, pagitera pamutum ma 20. To do aware at top my comments it aware at to thought of what no a sick to that of what to and do what please him no pamada ta dito atabata what please him no later no kora bakra sukomo patamu pu de lo no tebra la no away ni no uh tell you how teba pole takiti no first John talk about this okay and resist from him anything we ask because we obey his commands and do what please him no put in my dollar about that no I want to give you a we should think about it okay we should think about here is another thing is the now first John chapter 5 first John chapter 5 verse 14 talk about that now put in my the you have said do no yes about the this is the confidence we have in approaching God. No, when confidence is done, but thing, no, but all of it, dollar, but never did pop. Confident, no, but sukamono pakamanio, no, when confidence. Now we have approaching God. No, when it be dollar, look sayo, no. Now that if we ask anything according to his will, he hear us. No, because mala pain it no. Let them recruit on in, no, but me hira le, because mala away at tabatha, no. His will away at tabatha, no, because mala he hear us, because away took an apollo. Okay, away took an apollo. Thank you, no. Pakrapatu patana patamu sikolon. Away ni believe not if you believe no. If you believe, you don't believe, you don't need to prayers. Okay. You think about the sometimes you had trouble, right? You had problem in your household or in with your friend or with your brother and sister or their mother and fathers and okay something important thing in your heart but you don't believe okay you don't believe for example you don't believe all right I don't believe when I pray I will not get it this mean about that okay let them go up but me khini but the neighbor but sukomodine okay me dinero no me dinero okay don't pray okay don't pray let them go okay don't ask okay don't knock okay let them don't seek no but the other no the lo hudaba the lo hidaba because the man on lo do the clodaba when it ta sutana the million no umi to uman in the lo mara no okay don't do that don't do nothing okay let them go stay silent because the man oda la obi ubog la no me oda ta dinit okay just think about this okay when you do want to read in best about this you know what the James the Matthew okay I want to read for you here is the little bit about here no you want to find in this Bible about this you want to see in this Bible about that Matthew chapter 21 verse 22 talk about if you believe you will resist okay whatever you ask for in prayer whatever you ask for in prayer okay this means about the Matthew chapter 21 verse 22 okay just the thing after the following the verse okay following the the Bible chapter and the verse talk about Matthew chapter 7 verse 7 there and the Mark chapter 11 verse 24 there and the Luke chapter 11 verse 9 there James chapter 5 verse 16 okay and John chapter 3 verse 22 John chapter 5 verse 14 you will read in there you will see there you will feeling by yourself thinking by yourself is it right is it wrong or is you think about that this is a true thing or this is not truth is supposed to be you believe or not believe okay think about by yourself thank you so much my friend and my brother and sister today né? Whatever people just message about that okay they believe in like this they talk about like this means we don't I don't mind about this. Okay, I mind about the people, good people. Okay, good people listening and think carefully about the thing. Okay, thank you so much, my friends and my brother and sister. I will see you again. God bless you all.